Hi guys, are you ready? Yeah? Okay, let's get started. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Single arm and double arm. Single and double. Side to side. And let's add those arms. Keep breathing. Smile. 4, 3, 2, step touch. Step touch to the right, okay? And 4, 3, 2, double step touch with nice arm circles. 3, 2, leg curl. Smile and enjoy moving and the music. 4, 3, 2, and knees up. Great stuff. Let's turn to the right. A step touch on the side. Tempo. And let's bend over. Reach out. Reach. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let's go to the hips. Slow move. Slow move and tempo. Slow. Slow. Tempo. Let's go down. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. We're stretching the hamstrings now. 4, 3, 2, let's come back to the center. Inhale and exhale. Let go to the right. Or to the left for you, sorry. For me is the right. Great! Let's press our hands. Very good. We can do it, right? 4, 3, 2, and the knees. And up. Let's turn to the left now with step touch. Great. Let's do it quick. Your back is straight, okay? Be mindful of your posture. 4, 3, 2, and let's bend over now. Inhale, exhale. Exhale. Very good. Now the hips again. Slow and tempo. And tempo. Exhale, inhale, exhale. 3, 2. Come back to the center and single shoulders. Single and double. Oh, it feels so good. And double. And single. Great. Let's stretch our back. And our chest. Our neck. And the other side. Great stuff. Let's march in place. Okay. So now we are going to do some squats. Okay. Let's start it. Very good. I will show it from the side. Switch your weight onto your heels. Okay. Give me 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees up, up. That's it. Keep going. 4, 3, 2. Let's go back to squat. Let's do 4 squats. 2 more. 1, knees up. 3, 2, go back to squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 knees. 8 actually. Okay, back. 2 squats. 2 squats. 4 knees. 2 squats. 4 knees. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2. Woohoo! Okay, now just forward it down. Hold. And pulse it. Pulse. Pulse. And relax. Shake it out. Good. You can maybe dance a little. Okay. Let's stretch our thighs now. Knees together. The hips slightly forward. Excellent. Let's switch sides. Put your heels forward. The other one. And feel the stretch. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Well done, guys. We are going down on the floor now. Let's grab our mat. Okay. So we are in a tabletop position on our knees and hands, and we are going to work on our glutes. Okay. And it's very important that your back is straight. Your neck is long, and let's start it. 1, lift it up to the ceiling. Tummy is tight. Good. Let's do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's do 8 more. We can do it. It's nice. The glutes are burning now and working hard. 2 more. Great. Side lift now. Lift to the side. If it's more comfortable, you can lower down on your forearms. You could do that too. I'm coming back here. Give me 8, 7, 6, job, guys. Okay, now lift it up, kick, bend, and bring it down. Kick, bend, and down. Lift it up, quick, back, and down. Great. Let's do 4 of those. And let's try to smile. Great. Now hold it up and pause it. And relax. Well done. Great. Let's stretch our right side. Alright, guess what? We are switching the other side. So we are going to work for our left glutes. 3, 2, 1, and up, and up. And down. Keep your tummy tight. Okay. Very good, let's do 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And the side dips. Hello. Very good. Now let's alternate them up. And a side, up, and a side, up, side. Great job. Now up, kick, bend, and down. And up, kick. Great. Let's do 4 more. Kick. I definitely feel my glutes. I don't know what about you guys. And let's just hold it up and pause. I'm lowering down. Pause, 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 pause. And relax back to child pose. Okay, great. And let's stretch our left side. Excellent. Now we are going down on our tummy, okay? And we are going to work on our upper back. And actually the whole body will be working because the glutes and the core will be engaged the whole time, alright? So let's put our arms behind our ears. Let's go up for 2, 2, 1, 2, and down for 2. Up for 2, and down. Very good. Inhale, inhale, and exhale as you come down. Let's do some more. Very good. Let's just keep it up and hold it. And reach with one hand. Reach far. And back. Reach and back. Reach and back. Reach. Keep going. Come on. You can do that. Easy peasy. 4, 3, 2, and let's send it back to child pose. Well done. And we are going back down. And this is going to be our last round, okay guys? So chest up, We are going to do the same exercise, except we will be working with both arms at the same time, okay? Let's start it now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Reach and back, reach and back, reach and back. Squeeze your shoulder blades, okay, as you are bringing your arms back. Let's do it some more times. Forward and back. Your whole body is engaged, okay? And well done. Let's send it back to child pose again. Oh, that's so nice. We are going to do our stretching. We are in a seated position. Let's bring our left arm above our head and reach forward. Take a nice inhale and a long exhale. Very good. The other side. Chest is nice and open. Let's come back. Now, left leg over your right hand back, and your left elbow on the outside. And let's do a nice body twist. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Let's change sides. And the left hand behind. And the right elbow on the outside. And let's twist. Inhale. And the last time. And out. Well done, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. I really would like to hear from you in the comment section down below. And I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.